Hey everybody, I'm Chef Brandon Frohne and welcome to 30-Minute Meals. I'm here to teach you some simple, everyday grilling recipes. I know how hard it can be to squeeze in dinner at the end of a busy day, but trust me, all you're gonna need is 30 minutes and some simple tools and ingredients from Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and Walmart. Today we're making Chipotle Chicken Tostadas with boneless chicken thighs from Walmart with a pineapple salsa and avocado smash. I've loaded in my Kingsford charcoal, I'm setting the temp to 450 and it'll be there in just about 10 minutes. Let's season our chicken thighs. We're gonna add our chicken thighs and spices to a mixing bowl, but if you're running short on time, just grab your favorite dry rub. Now we're gonna grill the chicken thighs for 5 to 7 minutes on each side or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165. But let's make a pineapple salsa. Put all the ingredients in a bowl and mix well. For the avocado smash, here's a pro tip on how to do it. We're gonna slice open our avocados and we're gonna position a wire rack over a mixing bowl and we're gonna push those avocados flesh side down so that you're left with nice diced chunks of avocado in the bowl. And now we're gonna add some fresh lime juice to the bowl with a little salt and pepper and then we're gonna mash it lightly with a fork. We're gonna make our tostadas. Our grill is still set to 450, so we're gonna add a little oil to the griddle and we're gonna fry the tortillas for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Now we have everything prepped up, it's time to assemble our tostadas. Now that's good. The spicy and smoky flavor of the chicken thighs with the freshness of the pineapple salsa and the acidic pop of flavor from the avocado smash. All in just 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. Head on over to Walmart to get your ingredients, Gravity Series griddle, and your Kingsford charcoal. I'll see you next time.